Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a best Canva clone video and image editor that I developed directly in the browser in Next.js. So this is actually I'll just show you a short little demo of this. So this is a full directory structure of this. If you are interested in this project, I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. As you can see, it's using the latest version of Next. We are also using JS PDF lib TensorFlow, and every component is divided into its TypeScript file here. It's very easy to customize it as well. So now let me show you the demo right here. Uh, we are running it on localhost 3000. So it's very easy to run this project. So it has got all these features. First feature is this remove background. So here you actually can select your image, and instantly the once you select the image, the background will be removed right here, and then you can download the image. Similarly, we have the second feature for changing background. So this is I can bet you this is the best Canva clone image and PDF editor you can find out. So it's very easy to customize. It's a single page tool kind of a website, which all the processing is directly happening directly in the browser. Similarly, we also have the feature for converting a bunch of images into PDF. So again, you select a bunch of images. So I'm just showing you the demo because many people ask to whether these scripts will work or not. But I am showing you the demo. Each and every tool is perfectly working. So if you are interested in this script, guys, I've given the link. You can directly purchase it. After the purchase, you will automatically get the code from Google Drive. So this will be the full directory structure. Every code is customizable. Once you actually get the code, you can actually add some more features to it, and you can fully customize it. So similarly, if you want to merge multiple PDF files, you can use this. You simply upload your PDF, and similarly you can split PDF. If you have a long PDF file, you can split that. And then we also have the PDF to Word document file. So if you want to convert your PDF into Word document file, you can use this tool. So the link is given, guys, in the description. This is a best Canva clone editor which is developed in Next.js. It's really insane, and it's completely free. And so if you're interested in this, definitely purchase this. The link is given in the description. It's completely free and open source. So definitely try this. The link is given in the description.